Okay, folks, the video you're going to see, I was not going to post it because I thought it was too simple and it was just going to come off as stupid or something. But I'm thinking more along the guy, the guy that maybe cut the grass, as a kid, moved out, got a job, doing his own thing, and his father always maintained the lawnmower. He never seen it done, never done it, and he just wondered, wow, needs an oil change, can I do that? Father did it, so whatever, but I never seen it done. So that was my kind of reason. Basically, how I do all my videos is to make it as simple as possible. Got a tendency to ramble on or something, but that's the purpose of this video. I looked up some other videos to see how many, how many videos is out there on doing such a simple thing. There's thousands, and one had like 1 million views, and it was the exact same thing as what I was doing, but it was like 20 minutes, 15 minutes, and just so complicated, just bringing up terms and oh, it was like, are you just changing the oil in a lawnmower, a push mower, or is this like a space shuttle, or is this some very complicated military equipment? My videos, you'll see that it's as simple as I can make it, is how I do it. So I just wanted to say that with the video coming up, if it seems simple, that's how simple it really is. Warm your engine up, dump the oil out, fill it up to the proper level, and mow your grass. Okay. Welcome back to the channel, folks. Thank you for subscribing. Today, I wasn't going to do this. I needed to change the oil in the lawnmower. And I said, well, there's millions of videos out there. And I figured, you know what? So what? Everybody got, if you didn't do a video because somebody else had one on it, I don't think any of us would have any videos. But yeah, so this is what I was going to do today. So the tools that you'll need is basically nothing. With this one here, you tip it up. You can tip it up on cinder blocks and drain the oil from, the cap that you fill it with. On the other end, I like to use, man, it's cold here today. This tube is stiff as as Terrell fixes all, says, stiff as a carp. So I did warm her up a little bit. So I use this, and you don't need this. You can just, this air is usually less messy. You can just tip it up, pour it out of the thing, and you're fine. You can, the gas, sometimes I don't think there's much gas in this one, I'm not sure. So anyway, we will commence. Folks, I got a feeling this is a different topic. Pretty soon on our cars, if you do your own vehicle, oil changes on your own vehicle and lawnmowers and stuff, I got a feeling you'll be trying to extend the oil changes a lot longer. By the way the prices are, that's not too bad, but I'm going to change it. By the way the prices are going, and by the way that they say it's going to continue to go, I don't like it. Don't like it at all. So you just put the tube down on, until it gets in right in there. And this one, man, some stiff. So folks, the pump thing just took a shit. You tip it up and you dump out the oil. Anyway, now you can use a funnel. I'm a little ticked off right now, so I'm just gonna so I think this one takes 500 milliliters. But I'd like to know some of you folks where you live, if you've noticed any change in the oil prices. You know, it seems car parts, and I was watching a video, I forget who it was, but he was saying he had people send in emails to him to let them know the boots on the ground sort of deal. And people were saying this is people that either own businesses or work for businesses, and they're saying that they can't get oil filters for certain cars. Car parts are, you know, is hard to come by. So I think that's it there. Anyway, folks, that's as simple as it gets. Warm up your machine, dump out. You know what? It's just as easy as put a bucket like I did and just dump it out. Unless you really got one of those hair suckers, you know, you from your compressor, you can do it that way. But yeah, but however way you want to get the oil out, dump it out and fill it up. I use this 10W30 and fill it up to the mark. Have a good week, guys.